One loose wire strand is all it takes to short out your entire panel and ruin hours of work. Wiring with ferrules helps clean up your terminals and provides 100% contact with the wire. When you strip a wire, the bare wire separates into tiny strands. These strands might not make it into the terminal block and can cause shorts. It's also not as secure. One accidental pull when working on your panel and a bare wire can easily come out of the terminal block, leading to more problems than you started with. Ferrules are the simplest way to solve this. Here's how you do it right. First, strip the wire with a tool you're comfortable with. We recommend using tools designed for stripping wire, so you have a better chance of not nicking and damaging the wires. We're using auto strippers because they give you a consistent strip length every time, which is key for a perfect ferrule fit. Now, grab the ferrule that's sized appropriately for your gauge of wire. Different colors are meant for different gauges. Color coordination also helps speed up the process if you have to rewire anything in the panel. Once you have the right ferrule, you need to think about where it's going. The shape of your terminal block determines which crimp style you should use. Hexagonal crimps fit better into round terminals. Square crimps fit better into square terminals. Use your crimping tool to properly crimp the ferrule to the desired shape and insert it into the terminal. Once it's in the terminal, give it a quick tug test to be sure everything is secure, and power up your device. If you have any questions, you can always contact our free, award-winning technical support team. The link is in the description below.